Hey guys, it's me Dinosaur and today I'm unboxing my brand new Lego Creator toy. So in this video, I'm going to build the Lego and let's start. Okay guys, so this is the Lego set and let's build. Now where do I open this exactly? Oh no, where do I open this? Go here. Okay, I have a silver. Right here. This is the dragon. And this is the jet, I think, or a plane. And this is the robot. And here are the most complicated parts. The blocks. Oh, so many. Okay, there's nothing. Is there anything? No? Okay. Now, which one should I make? Okay. Let's make this robot. Okay? It's been very fun doing this Lego set, and it was a little hard, but I still managed it. So like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, make sure to like this video, and bye bye.